Hey, Ron here from the Fair Plumber. Here we are. We're at a job in Arlington Heights, Illinois, and we have our brand new directional boring machine that we're actually getting trained on. And we are going to be putting in a new copper water service. The homeowner has an old lead water line, and they want to protect their family so that they don't consume any lead. So they are having us put in a brand new copper water line. This is going to be a 1-inch line, and we're going to do it using a directional boring machine. The advantages of this is we don't have to dig a long trench. We're going to be putting this 70 feet. It's going to go under the house and all the way to the back. So here's the bit starting the hole, and we are going to be rotating the bit and pushing it in. And we have a highly sophisticated locator that allows us to do this without damaging anything. There is the actual, you saw there, that was a locating machine. There it is, the F2. And that locates everything. Here we are loading the pipes. The copper pipe is actually going to be put into the crawl space there. And shortly you're going to see the bit break through underneath in the crawl space. There it is. It breaks through the soil. Now we're going to be connecting the copper pipe to the bit. And then what they're going to do, we're using a Chinese finger there. We cap the copper line, and now we're going to pull the brand new copper line from the crawl space out into the street so we can make the connection. There's a copper line being pulled back. There's a rod from the outside pulling everything. We are removing the rods, and we are continually pulling everything back. And this operation basically from start to finish typically is about an hour job. Brand new machine. Call the Fair Plumber for your lead water line replacement. Thank you very much. Have a great day.